what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm gonna be making like a little fluffy slime type thing. I just wanted to make like a really simple how to make a slime video again. So I chose fluffy slime because I like fluffy slime. So yeah, I'm done explaining. Let's get straight on to the video. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is a bowl. Oh, that's my mixing thing. That bowl is very large. Okay, this is my beautiful bowl. And we're gonna add some glue. So I'm using Elmer's glue, and it's very large. I can see if I can show you guys. Yeah, I'm using that. Okay. That's the glue that I'm using. And I'm just gonna take some, actually you don't need like a lot of glue because you're gonna add in shaving cream. So you don't really need like that much if you're not making like a lot of slime. Come on. Okay, that should be like enough. Actually, a little more. Yeah, so you probably just need like half glue, half shaving cream. Pretty much, it's probably. I just eyeball it, honestly. And then we have my shaving cream. And so this shaving cream is very old and it's really like weird. So I don't know, you'll just see. See, it's like liquidy and then it fluffs up. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think something's wrong with it. But we're just gonna add like a lot in. See, it like takes a while to fluff up. Okay, and now let's mix. I just have a spatula. Ooh, that's nice and thick. Ooh, yes. Yes, I like that. You don't want too much shaving cream or else it like gets kind of like hard and not crunchy, but it like rips apart more easily. So you still want it to be kind of like glossy, I guess, like a little. So I'm just gonna, oh sorry, I shook you guys. I'm just gonna add like a little more. That should be good. More the merrier. Okay, now let's do. Ooh, yes, this is gonna be a big batch. Okay, so this looks good enough for now. And of course, you guys don't have to do this, totally optional. I'm just gonna add in some food coloring. So I'm just gonna add in some pink. It says it's red, but you know, it's actually pink because you have to add a lot in if you want red. But I haven't made pink slime in a long time and I have like a pink spatula. So I just thought it would be appropriate. Okay. Ooh, this is beautiful. You know what this reminds me of? Strawberry yogurt. Oh, it looks like a lot more pink in person. No, on camera. On camera, it looks like nothing. So, yeah. Okay, so this should be good. I really like this color. It's like bubblegum pink in person. Actually, I'm gonna add like a little more maybe. Oh, that was like the tiniest. Okay. Oh yes. It's really bubblegum pink. I actually love this slime. I think that I might actually like keep this. Oh, it's really pretty on camera. It's a little more pink in person, but that's okay. And also, I don't know why, but my lights are making my hands look like really dark, so I'm sorry for that. But now I'm going to be activating the slime, and I'm using a little borax solution. People are usually like 1 cup of water, or whatever it is, 2 cups of water, to like a teaspoon or something. I just eyeball it, you guys. I don't really follow anything. But yeah, I use borax and water as mine. There's a hair there. That's great. Okay. Now I'm just gonna add some in. Now this stuff, I don't know but for me, it activates really quick. Let's see if it does it today. Doesn't need like a lot of activator usually. I don't know. I think my shaving cream is kind of broken, but yeah. I should really get some new. Like, does it say the expiry date? Because I'm pretty sure it's expired. That's disgusting. I mean, it's just shaving cream, I guess. So now I just like started mixing with like my hands. I don't know if that's a good idea. Probably not. Oh yes. Mix that slime. So I'm almost, that's literally like the last of my activator. So yeah. Should I take it out of the bowl? I think I should. Here it is. Ooh, it's glorious, you guys. It looks like spaghetti, kind of. It's kind of like stringy. Okay. Once you know it's like kind of like clumping up, like in like a big ball, then that's when you know that you can like touch it and stuff. Oh yes, I like this. And if you need it more, you actually don't really need more activator. I'm just not very patient, so yeah. But yeah, if you just keep kneading it, it will become less sticky. Sometimes you do need more activator though. Look at this. Oh, it stretches so far. I wish you guys could see, but my camera doesn't. It's not that wide. Oh boy. Oh yeah, okay. Let's see if I have any activator left. Oh, I have some. I always say that I run out, but then I actually have some. Oh, God, hold my sleeve. Oh, yes. Make that slime. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so I think it's almost done. I know. I'm sorry about my hands, okay? I'm actually sorry. It's just what happens when you make slime, if you know what I mean. Okay, so there you have it. Here's my beautiful slime. It's a little sticky, but it will be okay soon. There it is. Okay, so there's the finished producto. And thank you so much. That was weird. Thank you so much for watching this video and clicking on it. And if you made it all the way through, thank you, because I really appreciate you if you did. I was dying. Okay. I was dying of cough there. Is that even a word? No, it isn't. Okay. Well, maybe it is. I don't know. But thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching it. And just subscribe. That'd be really nice of you. I'd love it. But even if you don't, just come back, keep watching my videos, you know? Thank you. And have a great rest of your day, night, morning, afternoon, evening. Yeah. Just thank you and have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.